at his ability there as he stayed in front of Rosgo off the ball screen.
Boy, the three-point line has just not been kind. Oh my goodness! Kai Cabela's just threw it in Denver's basket. I have never seen that.
I actually thought A.J. Jacobson was good, but watch this.
Oh, it is a three-pointer.
And what I don't know is if there's something about if the other team does throw it in, if it has to be a two, I don't know, but that's clearly behind the line. I'm right there with you. I've never seen anything like it.
Out of the net to make the save. Berman came out to challenge that time, as Grant Fuhrer did in the second period on Steve Bozak. Oh, they score! Oh, Steve Smith, in attempting to get it out of his own zone, put it in the net. At the side of the net, he was trying to pass it out, and it hit Grant Fuhrer, I believe, and went in.
Well, everybody's in a state of shock right now, and the Calgary bench, they couldn't believe it. Now, there's the puck stopped by Grant Fuhrer. Watch Smith. He comes out right in front of his net and tries to pass it through the middle. It hit Grant Fuhrer and goes in. Now, for a defenseman, there's so many safe plays you can make along the boards, carry it out, but not through the middle, off the left, back of the leg of Grant Fuhrer, and in the net. And McDonald gets credited for the goal.
This Leaf, nothing was moving on the green. This guy hits his putt. As soon as he strikes the putt, the Leaf jumps off the ground and just smokes his ball for a Leaf. You know, as much as a Leaf can smoke something, smokes his ball, knocks it 6 inches offline, not even close.
Kucherov missing on 2 chances this year. Swerves in on Craig Anderson, shoots, and the stick breaks. Oh.
What a shame.
So we still remain at 1-0 Lightning.
Yep, that one broke right up between his hands. You don't see it break up that high very often. A flaw in the shaft of the stick you wouldn't know about, and away goes his chance.
And Duchesne, pretty good percentage.
With the kicking foot. There's time for one Hail Mary. There's 1 second on the clock. Atlanta has 5 men deep, including Brian Finneran. Maddox lets it fly all the way downfield, and it was caught. It's caught on the 1. There's no time. The game's over.
Oh, my God.
Plexico Burris caught it.
His body was in the end zone, Sam. The ball wasn't.
Oh, this is unbelievable.
This is going to be a day Plexico Burris will never forget.
That's not in.
No, the ball came down in front of the end zone. It was a completion, but that's the way you play that defense. They're right over top of him, and the ball never crosses the goal line.
Crosses. What a way to finish. Tommy Maddox came up 1 yard short of a miracle.
Breaking ball kind of hung up there in the middle of the plate. A little bit of a mistake there from Robertson, but Dozier a little on top of it.
Rosius is running, the pitch is fouled away. He's in a heap, to say the least. Well, catcher's vulnerable. When he sees a runner break off first base, he raises it up and starts leaning forward. Any kind of a foul tip down is going to get you.
Watch him come up from behind. The ball comes underneath.
That's it on the ground.
That hurts. That hurts.
And from that, what do we infer? Is it just because it's still pre-season and they've got a bit to work on still, or are there troubling signs for Chelsea ahead, in your opinion? Remembering back, that is the most extraordinary own goal I think I have ever seen in football. And Padelli could do absolutely nothing about it. Hang your head in shame. Kondogbia. It was all going so well.
Remarkable, absolutely remarkable. Murillo, there's a little ball back to him, and to say he's overdone this is an understatement. Tries to pass it back to Padelli, it's way too much on it. What a finish that is.
And then there's the 1998 Players' Championship. Steve Lowry's tee shot on the famed 17th is solid until this Seagull intervenes.
We have a new hazard at 17. Look at this. Yep, we've got it. We have liftoff. Oh, no.